Hey guys, welcome back again to the show. It's your boy Dan, and we got some news. A good news. Okay, former 50-50 members, Sena, Aran, and Siu have signed exclusive contracts with Massive ENC, a subsidiary of IOK company, with plans to debut in the second half of 2024. Oh fucking wow! I've been so happy yung nakita ko to. So, if nakikita nyo yung tabs ko, never mind kasi i-react ko yung Promise 9 na yan that they release a new song. But this is completely shocked if because of I never expect na yung tatlo na to na magbabalik ulit sa K-pop industry. And at the same time, I'm very sad. I'm very sad of because they're gonna debut but not with the 50-50. Because I know na 50-50 members kasi kahit hindi ko nireact. Pero alam ko na kung sino. I'm happy and sad at the same time because I'm very shocked because of how they completely changed. I know CEO is my bias naman. And CEO this one she completely changed. I think they completely changed. They're more matured than the previous, yung last nila. It was way back last year. You can see Sena. Wow, Sena is completely different here. You can see, wow, she's completely different. If nakita nyo, man. And of course, we're not gonna forget Aran. Wow, Aran. Aran's completely changed. I'm shocked because hindi ko expect that they will come back. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm very excited kung what's their group will be. And wow. At first akala ko sa yung edit. Akala ko is all fake and rumors because today you can edit and fake some stuff, but this is not a fake news. Wow. Because nakita ko lang kasi is bago yung mukha. Parang nag-less pero they got more matured, which is good naman. But wow. Okay. But I'm very happy to this for these three girls. Kasi they're gonna come back with new groups naman, and of course they're still like the OG. They are still the OG 50-50. But wow, imagine mo if they gonna they gonna have a confrontation. The new 50-50 in the OG. I think it's not gonna be awkward, but wow, I'm very excited. What's gonna be fall? Malapit na fall of 2024. So excited for what the song is gonna be and what's gonna be their debut. I don't know guys, but man, as a 50-50 fan, man, I'm very excited. At the same time excited din ako sa the new 50-50 and the of course this one son with Sena, Aran, and Sio. But guys, can't wait naman. Let me know guys what's your reaction to this news. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more. I'm your host, Dan. See you in the next video.